All right, what is going on, guys? Spiteful is back again, and honestly, I wouldn't really recommend going past like maybe even the first step on this. Like the rates, like keep in mind these are 3% rates until you get to the fourth step, right? And on the fifth step, it's 8%, but don't let that fool you because there are yeah, how many characters are here? 20. There's like there's 20 characters. So even when it's 6% chance, right? When you hit that 6% chance, you literally have a 0.3% chance to get the character that you want. Now, this banner is not bad. There's actually quite a lot of good characters. Like the highlights in this banner, honestly, would probably be like Ruki and Hanatara for Chronicle quests. Ichigo, Full Hollow Ichigo, Mugetsu, Parasol Aizen, Cacao Society Byakuya. Past Retsu's pretty good. That's about it. Trying to. Oh, and Belief Toshiro and Belief Kenpachi. Let's see. Power Jushiro isn't really that great. So like those are the only highlight characters, and that's honestly just what, one, two, three, four, five, six. Like there's like six of the 20 characters in here, making that a zero. Oh wait, no, that's a 1.8% chance of pulling the characters after you get to step four. And then on step five, wait, was it step four? Yeah, you have to get to step four to get that rate. Besides that, it's like it's a 3% chance. So I'm just gonna do the first step. Like I said, I wouldn't really advise anyone to go in here unless you're like that desperate for like 5 stars and stuff. Like this account, like Klab already knows it's my account, so they just give me dick. That's all they like to give me. Like I pulled two banner characters. How much? I don't even know how much I spent this month. Mm-hmm. Yo, Klab don't like your boy. I'm gonna tell you that right now. Like Klab hate me, bro.